could touch the sky. Starlights, I'll be running up and down, trying to think about you all the time. I don't